Hi guys, Santosh here. Just a quick overview on today's session on gold asset class on Friday. Uh, Today, during the overnight session, opening session, I can able to see a rotational rhythm in a squeezing manner. It means that when a price reaches to the plus 2 standard deviation, it is reverting back to the minus 2 standard deviation. And again, if it is reverting back to plus 2 standard deviation, it will reverse immediately in plus 1 standard deviation itself, and it will be reverting back again from minus 1 standard deviation. Even though it is a mean reversion, it is a rotational rhythm, but it is squeezing towards the VWAP levels. So that's the reason it has been not reaching the previous levels of minus 2 standard deviation or plus 2 standard deviation zones. It is reverting priorly. So I have seen some rotational rhythm in a squeezing manner on the overnight session till the London opening session. After the London opening session, I can able to see a slight shift in the rhythm towards the downside from VWAP to minus 2 standard deviation for some time. Then after a couple of hours, and precisely during last couple of hours, there is a huge buying aggression in the inventory, which I have shown in the lower part of the chart, which is a cumulative volume delta. It is nothing but a net aggression in the inventory. There are net aggression in the buy side, which is above the zero line. It means that there is a buying aggression seen in the inventory. Though there is a buying aggression seen in the inventory, the price is not inching higher the previous levels. But this buying aggression has breaching all the previous net high levels in the inventory. It signifies that this buying aggression in the inventory is absorbed by the passive selling absorption. So it means that some big guy is placing and is liquidating his inventory at this current level and keeping the price at the same level, even though the buying aggression seen in the inventory. It means that if some guy is want to sell 5,000 contracts at the same level, he is not selling at an single contract. He is liquidating 100, 200, 300 contracts. Once it has been filled by this buying aggression, then again he is uh, putting another 200, 300 contracts, so that he is liquidating his inventory in an iceberg orders. That's the reason, even though the buying aggression seen in the market, the price is not pushing towards the previous high levels. So my takeaway and my analysis would be keenly looking into exaction, who's exhaustion first, whether this buying aggression has been exhausting first. If this buying aggression exhausting first, then this passive selling absorptions take control and push the price even lower, and I'll be entering a short position and looking for a target of this minus 1 SD or minus 2 standard deviation. But to do so, I have to see this buying aggression as to exhaust first, so that this passive selling absorption take control and push the price even lower. On the other hand, if the passive selling absorption exhausts first, which means that this seller has been liquidating his whole inventory, though the buying aggression seen in the inventory, then this passive selling absorption will be exhausting at one point, because he has been deployed all his inventory, liquidated all his inventory. So this buying aggression took control and then even pushes the price even higher levels, which is a good long entry opportunity for me. But right now, as of the current inventory and price movements, I can able to see this buying aggression seen in the inventory is absorbed by some passive selling absorption. So passive selling absorptions having control over buying aggression right now, even though still buying aggression present over there. And I will be trying to find whether this buying aggression has been exhausting or not. If this exhausts, then I will be entering short and waiting for this level as a target, which is minus 1 SD or minus 2 standard deviation, by keeping a stop loss just above this uh, entry price, which is 4788 in the gold futures. Which might be 10 to 15 points below in the gold spot, which is XAUUSD. So I will be having two biases based on who's exhausting first. But right now, passive selling absorption having control, then the buying aggression seen in the inventory. Thank you. Thank you for the quick update.